Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 227 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about meeting old fears and anxieties that may resurface without letting them take over. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly release it. Notice if any old worries have come back today. You don't need to chase them away, and you don't need to believe them either. Now, simply say to yourself, I am here now. The past has no power over me, and I choose peace in this moment. Breathe gently and feel yourself grounded in the present. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the room and carry this calm strength with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.